Hello and welcome once again to Sungura Motors tutorial. I will show you a procedural step-by-step of how to create an automatic Tanzanian secondary school students results processing and management template using Microsoft Excel. Welcome to lesson 2. Let us go. We continue where we ended my template here. We ended by creating the number of students about 100. Now we are creating this sheet to look good. I will highlight here from this one up to the last number. Then I will come to tables. I will put tables here. Then I will increase the font size here. Yes, this is look very good. Then I will have to change the color of the fonts. Bold, this one, bold, and center them, increase them. I will have to change the direction of this one. Change the direction, and I will have to change the size. This one, the size of the column. Yes. Now I will have to put it here. Also center this. I will have to bold. Then I will have also to resize this one. For example, let me write here. Yeah, this is enough. Then I save. My sheet is now looking good. Yes, for example here I will change the color. Yes, this one I will reduce here. Yes, now when I print a preview, my registration sheet look like this. Yes, I will have to change the size of this column, B10. Then I will have to, yes, then I change the page layout, the margin be narrow, so that this one can parents number, let me wrap text this one and reduce this one. B12. This is enough. When I print a preview, you're going to check now the registration sheet have been completed. Well, I insert another sheet here. No, thank you. Before inserting sheet, I can register names here as far as according to the names of the students in the class. For example, I'm starting with Adam Smith, sex is male, class is Form 1. Year of no, thank you. You will have to add here 1, insert 1 low, so that no. I will have to insert 1 low here. Then I will have to cut this and paste here. This one be removed. Delete this one. Yes. I will have to merge to here, merge this, the registration number, increase the font size. Also this merge, this one will be merged. I have inserted 1 low so that I can write the years here. For example, it is Adam Smith, sex is male, class is Form 1, year of admission it is 2022. Let me increase the width of this one. Now to avoid writing years here, I will have to say if, now I will have to say equals to E8 plus 1. Then this year comes automatically pressed. Then I will have to highlight up to here. you can see that first year of admission, Form 1 is 2022, Form 2 is 2023, Form 3 is 2024, and Form 4 will be 2025. Then I register another name. For example, I register editor Spurious. Sex is female, class Form 1, year of admission. Now, to avoid writing years of admission, I will insert some formulas. For example, I will have to say if bracket B9 is equal to empty, then leave empty. Otherwise the formula write the row above. Otherwise it will have to write this one. Then I put the bracket. This formula does well. Then I will have to bold all this up to here. I will have to bold them, then I put them here. Then I highlight this up to here. This formula states if the column B9 is empty, then nothing will be written. For example, let us delete this editor Spurious, then we will see what happens. Then you can find that here and here is empty because there are some mistakes in this formula. We will have to edit them. Let me go back here. Then we have to edit here that if C, then we have to say if B9 is empty, then let it be, leave it blank. Otherwise we must input the data in F8. The same applies here. We have to edit it. It is B, then also here it is B, we edit B, then the formula goes. For example, we copy this now, we copy this formula up to down the row. Now you can find that this is blank and this sheet is blank and this sheet is blank because nothing has been written here and nothing has been written here. To see that this formula works, let us insert another data here. For example, we add Diana, source Peter, sexy is female. You see automatically the years came when we wrote this name. For example, let us delete. You will have to see Cyrus had been left blank because we have inserted the formula. Then this formula works and it depends on how you need. Then I will have to insert the parents contact. Let me first manage this, put it up close. Parents contact. For example, parents contact will be 076-203-7741. Then to input a 0 here, you'll have to go to data. Go to data. Then you find the data format. You custom. You input 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this comes with zeros. Then you copy and paste here. No thank you. You copy and paste the formula. You copy and paste the formula. When you will be writing the parents contact, it comes with those number formats. Custom. I put here. No. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, this works. For example, when I input here another number, let's say 06025034177, it goes very because zeros in Excel is not recognized. That's why when you input a 0 number in front of the number, you input a 0, then it is neglected. Then the registration form now is ready. I'm sorry, my PC is draining charge. Let me put the charge, then we will proceed. Yes, now your registration form is ready. You can go on, or you can add more fields according to your needs, but according to how I plan to do, let this be well or be complete. Then I will have to shift it to another sheet number 3. Here I will have to rename this, then let this be the mid-term sheet, the mid-term sheet. Then I will have also to prepare the results for the mid-term. Avoiding writing headings, I will have to find from the key info the data for the mid-term exams. Then I will have to rank as follows: a plus equals mark. I go to key info, then I put here, then this data comes. Yeah, because this one at mid-term exam. Now you can see the President's Office, Regional Administration and Local Governments, Bukoba District Council, Katale Secondary School, Form 1 mid-term exam results. I will have also to add the results because this is the results. Then I will have to add more field as how it will let's see. Here I will have to write the registration number. So to add the registration number, I will have to rank the registration number in the registration form. Then I have to put here as follows. Go to this one comes, I will give space, then I will have to double click here. No, thank you. I have to highlight here, then this one comes, then I have to double click. No, I will have to scroll down up to where it ends. You can see numbers have been linked in this sheet up to 100 as how the registration form is. I treat this, then this one remains. Okay, I will have to add another detail here, that students names. Now I will be not bothered again to write the students names here, otherwise I will have to rank those names from the registration form. Now sex class is normal. Now I will have to rank as follows. Press the equal mark, then I come to registration, I click here, then this one comes to be my ranked name. Here I'll press 0 because there is nothing there in the registration form. Now to remove these zeros to appear here, I change the formula as follows. I go here, then I say if bracket registration 8 registration B8 equals to empty, then this one be empty, otherwise say the registration B8. Then when I double click, you will see those zeros have been removed because in the registration form there is empty. Yes, that is 6. I will have to do the same as how I have did here, then I will have to screw up to here. Yes, then this formula is working. I will have to change the size of the columns up to 3. This works. This one 3. This is, I will have to put to insert on the center. Yes. Then I will have to write to give the subjects. Now to avoid writing in a mistake, the subjects have been written and the key information here. you can now come and rank the subjects without doing mistakes. Here I will have to rank this subjects. I will click equal mark, then go to key info. I will come to civics. Yes, civics. Then I will have to highlight up to here. Then I will have to change. This is A25. This is B. This one will be A26. This one will be A27. This one will be A28. And this one will be A29. This one will be A30. This one be A31. I will scroll again because there are two subjects. This one be A32, and this one finally be A33. Yes, you can see subjects have been ranked very good without mistakes. Then I will have to change the columns of this one. I will have changed the columns of this one. Column width to 3, and I will have to change the direction of text here as follows. You can see now I will have to merge this center, increase the font size. Also this one I will highlight and put the color of this one as well. Also highlight, increase the font size so that they can be seen very good. The page layout be margin narrow. You can see here I will have to add a total average or grade of the average. Then I will have to add the position and remarks. The total we have column of 3, average the same, for grade 3, position 3, remarks the remainder. I change the direction of this. I change the direction like this one. Good. Change the color, increase the size. Yes, here is looking so good. Decrease the fonts. No, thank you. But decrease the font size of the numbers because they will have to take a space up to 12. Yes, this one now appears very good. I will have to also to change the direction of this one and change the column width up to 3. We have to impose it here. I will have to center them. We have also to change the font style to Bookman Oldie style. This is also I will have to insert borders, set borders up to here, set borders so that they can be seen very well. Change the font size of this be 10 so that they can be seen. Thank you. Then I will have to, yes, yeah, this is now. This one gives you a workspace of adding the marks of the students. For example, civics, let's say it is 65. then this one be 23, this one be 0, this one be 25, this one be 12, this one be 10, this one be 25, this one be 89, this one be 20. Then the total will be given by the formula. That is why we say we create automatic results management. We create automatic results management. Some formula will be given. Here the total, we insert the equal marks equal to the bracket sum of, no thank you, no, I equal to sum of bracket this one, then you hit enter. Now the total, yes, total, I really have to center this, center them, yes, this one. Then the average, then we say equals to the average of this one, yeah. Then we will have also to center this. The grade, we find the grade of this average, the width equal marks. Then we say if this one is grade or equal to 75, this one be a if bracket this one is a grade equals to 65, this one be if bracket this one is grade equal to 45, then this B C, and if bracket this one is grade or equal to 30, this is D, and otherwise it will have to write F for the remaining marks. Then you count the brackets. It is 1 2 3 4. Then you add 4 brackets, 1 2 3 4. Then you hit enter. You can see this is D. Then you highlight the formula up to the end. Then here also you highlight the formula up to the end, and here you highlight the formula up to the end. To remove this hash sign, I will show you how to remove this hash sign. Let's find the position. You rank the position from this student to another. Let us complete this. We say we change this so that when these are empty, nothing can be done here, or when these are empty, also this left to be empty. Let us today end up here. Thank you for watching. Hope you are waiting for the next lesson.